I'm sick of carrying around bulky, ugly phone cases. With my favorite design and plenty of wallet space, the wallet phone case has become my favorite accessory. There are 3 card slots and an actual cash, and yes, I did say cash pocket, in every one of the wallet phone cases. It's really convenient, it's really useful, and the RFID protection gives me even more confidence. The adjustable grip fits over 60 different phones from all kinds of brands and manufacturers. But the design? Well, that's up to you. You can literally custom print any design into one of the wallet phone cases. That means your wallet phone case is completely unique to you. Protect your phone with a solid and durable case. Express yourself with a unique and fun design that you get to choose, and keep your credit card safe with RFID protection. Save on space and order now.